Before putting it on, let's give it a shot and see how does it look. बता सकते हैं हम सीधा है? I have to do it myself. Welcome to another episode of The Garage Mods. Hope you're doing well. आज की episode, what we are going to do is basically doing another mod, very little one, less time consuming, but very noticeable, especially if you have good wheels on your car. So let's get straight into it. So if you have black wheels on the car and black side mirrors, so this look a little bit empty, this whole side. So what I'm talking about is this section. So what we will be installing here is called weather shields or rain visors, whatever you can search it with. It's not expensive. You can buy it on eBay and you can put it on the car. So it actually complements with the wheels. By the way, if you haven't seen the first episode, that's how I made my wheels go black. So if you want to check it out, go see the first episode. Equipment that will be needed for this one is going to be these four things. Actually, four things. A heat gun, a rag. I'm using a perfume bottle because it has alcohol in it. अच्छी तरह से साफ हो जाएगा इसके. बाकी ये मत समझना कि परफ्यूम की बोतल को ठंड लग रही थी तो मैंने उसके ऊपर रैग डाल दी. It's just that. And of course, the rain visors which I have ordered from eBay. So first up, you can use a perfume bottle if you have, because I'm going to use that one. Otherwise, there are alcohol sprays that you can get to clean this one up. इसके अंदर भी है तो हम इसी से काम चलाएंगे. That's what we do. अच्छी तरह से सफाई करेंगे because we want to make sure there are no dust particles before we stick that rain visor on. So आइसक्रीम वाला आया, किसी ने आइसक्रीम खानी है तो इसको आज ही आना था जब मैंने वीडियो रिकॉर्ड की. म्यूजिक सुन के वो हॉरर मूवीज नहीं याद आती मेरे से. बाय द वे यहाँ पे आइसक्रीम वाला ऐसे ही आता, वो पाकिस्तान वाला नहीं. टुन टुन टुन. एनीवेज, लुक एट दिस. यू फॉर दैट. You have to make sure this one aligns. अभी stick नहीं किया, but and that one aligns. पहले ऑन था. अभी इसको रखेंगे नीचे और इसको लेके what we need to do is peel off these red tapes from the stickers. After you have peeled that sticker off, what we will do is we slightly heat this up. Button भी on कर लें. This is part of the step as well. थोड़ा सा फासला रख के कीजिएगा, अदरवाइज इट्स प्लास्टिक और प्लास्टिक तो नहीं खराब करना, सिर्फ ग्लू को ही गर्म करना मकसद है यहाँ पे. Alignment matters, so let's check this out. One. Wrong side. This one. Same thing. थोड़ा सा बड़ा लग रहा है, but we'll figure it out. That's actually good. Cute. Okay, cool. सबसे औखा काम इसके लिए टेप उतारना, but satisfying. अच्छा, मजे की बात, रेन वाइजर्स, वेदर शील्ड, नाम से पता लगता है कि मकसद इसका होता है कि व्हेन इट इज रेनिंग सो यू कैन पुट द विंडो डाउन अ लिटिल बिट एंड स्टिल एंजॉय द रेन एज वेल एज प्रोटेक्ट योर कार फ्रॉम इट, कि बारिश अंदर ना जाए, बट इट आल्सो लुक्स गुड, इजंट इट? So this is the final look. Looks complete, isn't it? This mod was literally completed within 10 minutes. अगर आपको वो स्टिकर उतारने में ज़्यादा टाइम ना लगे तो मेरा ख्याल है उससे भी जल्दी हो सकता है. But anyways, do let me know how do you find this little tiny mod, very I think underrated sort of a thing, but it actually complements your car, especially if you have good wheels. Um, it looks really good. Thanks for watching. Keep liking, keep subscribing. Take care. Bye.